welcome to Santa's Toy Factory right here at Bluewaters Island, brought to you by Dubai Community Management.
Ho ho ho! Merry Christmas!
Yes, it was wonderful. Thank you for doing that for the kids. We enjoyed it.
We wish everyone Merry Christmas, Happy New Year.
It was really fun, well organized, and she participated a lot and won lots of things, so we were very happy. Thank you.
Hello, it's been an absolutely fantastic event here at Bluewaters. The kids have had so much fun, so have the adults, and Merry Christmas to everyone.